Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the color coding of IV cannula. Here you have to imagine a scene in which wife is asking her husband that which color of blouse will look good on her green color sari. So as in the movie Viva, there was a dialogue which goes as AG OG हम ना कहेंगे. So from that we know that AG OG, these are the annotations which are used in certain parts of India by the wives for their husband. So here also the wife is calling her husband whose name is W. Yes, it is an odd name. So she is calling her husband W by calling him OG. So the mnemonic goes as OGW, green पे blue या bagni. So as she is calling her husband as OGW, so it is OGW is his name. Then green पे is, since we know that husbands get very मतलब like बहुत पक जाते हैं by this habit of wives की वो दिन भर यही पूछती रहती हैं कि क्या अच्छा लगेगा क्या नहीं लगेगा. So here also husband is like irritated and he's like thinking in his mind पे पे करती रहती है दिन भर. So it is पे for pink. So green पे blue या bagni. Bagni is the Hindi term for violet. So now let's see. O is for orange, G is for grey, then OGW, white, W is for white, then green पे blue या bagni. So green is for green, पे is for pink, then blue is for blue, ya is for yellow, bagni is for violet. I hope till now it's clear. Now let's see the mnemonic associated with this mnemonic. So here as we saw, O is for orange, G is for grey, W was white, green is green, P is pink, then it is blue, blue is blue, ya is yellow, bagni is violet. Now for remembering the gauge, you have to understand one thing, that for calling anyone OG, AG, there has to be a certain age group which gets married. So as we know कि ऐसे तो लीगल एज के अकॉर्डिंग बोले तो इट्स लाइक 18 के बाद ही यू कैन मैरी फॉर गर्ल. सो बट स्टिल शी इज अ टीन. सो द फर्स्ट teen which is your even number is your 14, because as we know teen starts with 13, so 14 is the next even number which is there. So here also gauge will start with 14. So 14, 16, but then W was a odd name, so it is a odd number also. So here it will be 17. Then again the same sequence, that was 14, 16, 18. So 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Now despite of learning all this mnemonic, I'll suggest go with this particular pink color के लिए अलग से याद कर लो. That is 20 gauge is your pink cannula, because it is most commonly used cannula in the clinics. So please remember it separately, so that अगर कभी भूल भी जाए कि कहाँ पे क्या होगा, so since you remember कि pink is for 20, तो ऊपर वाले याद आ जाएंगे and नीचे वाले भी सही हो जाएंगे. So it's better कि बीच वाला एक वैल्यू आप याद कर लो, that is pink is for 20. So now let's take our mnemonic further. So here we have the mnemonic for our Follies catheter also. So in this particular mnemonic it was ended as कि इसमें वो पूछ रही थी कि क्या पहनूं. So since husbands generally are very clever, so they don't want to give a clear cut answer कि blue पहनो या फिर ये, तो despite of that they give a clever answer. So here the husband give a answer cleverly as yes said W, green में ओढ़ो लाल. So he said कि green के ऊपर तुम क्या पहनोगे नहीं पहनोगे वो तो छोड़ो, तुम लाल ओढ़ लो. So let's see the mnemonic associated with it. It is yes said W, green में ओढ़ो लाल. So yes is yellow, W is again white, green is green, ओढ़ो is orange, लाल is red. Lal is the Hindi term for red. Here the French values will start from 10 to 18. So here there is no exception with the odd number. So all are even number from 10 to 18. I hope it's clear. Now, one more thing which is important to remember is that the Foley's catheter are graduated in terms of French. The external diameter of it is graduated in terms of French. So, Foley's is French, whereas IV cannulas were in the gauge values. Okay, now one more thing which is important is that as the French values increases, the diameter also increases. So red is your 18 French, so it is the thickest one. But when it comes to the IV cannula, the higher the gauge value is, the thinner it is. So that means कि उसका bore size उतना ही कम होगा, and since bore size कम होगा, then what will happen? The flow rate will be less, and of course the pain will be less. So these Bagni wala jo hai, that is your violet one, is used in cases of children where we do not want to cause pain, but the flow rate will be less, and of course we don't want to overload them with the fluid, so it is best for them. In case of trauma and all, we want the fluid to be transfused very fast. So in that case, we will be choosing a cannula with gauge at least of your 18 gauge. But if the gauge value is low, means thicker the your bore is, it will be better. I hope it's clear. Now, thank you.